This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the Hryfine app. Open it now and go straight to Display or Wallpaper. Once there, tap Choose Image to load your file. You need JPG or PNG under 5 MB. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile so changes apply where you want them. If you use multiple displays, pick the target display first. You're taking action immediately. Locate the image, preview it, and select Apply to proceed to editing options. Now edit the wallpaper so it looks right on the screen. You'll crop or scale the image and pick a position mode like Fill or Center. These change how the image maps to your desktop, so test each. Once done, tweak visual filters, brightness, blur, or subtle parallax to match readability of icons and widgets. Make sure to inspect in preview mode and switch between landscape and portrait views if applicable. When satisfied, press Apply and wait for Hryfine to render the wallpaper across the chosen display. Finish by confirming the wallpaper appears on every intended desktop and is saved to your Hryfine profile. Double-check autosave is enabled so changes persist. If the wallpaper reverts or doesn't show, restart Hryfine and, if needed, reboot the device to clear cache. Make sure the image resolution matches the display. If layout breaks, restore your backup or reapply with a different position mode. If problems continue, reduce file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.